Hi guys, this is the opening of the Ferrari 296 GT3 from 2020-22. I do not know if it's from Le Mans, but I'm hoping it is. So, let's get to it. It's very nice, very red. Okay. Gonna open this. Very shiny. Come on. Here we go. It's very nice. Front looks good. Back looks good. The only thing that is okay is the windshield wipers. Because you don't know if it would be raining. But still a great car. It was on sale for me, $25. So, that's good. Good deal. And this is made by Bburago. Yeah, made by Bburago. I love the front of it. Okay, bye guys. See you for the next one. Yeah, bye.